How long can I take sleeping pills before I become addicted? Well, it depends what type of pill you are using. Most sleeping pills are designed for short term use, like 2 weeks or less. Only one drug, Lunesta, has been tested for long term use, and that too only for 6 months. There are other drugs that carry a risk of dependence. They should only be used for the occasional night of insomnia and not for weeks at a time. There are various medications that mimic the sleep hormone melatonin. It only works for people who have trouble falling asleep, not for those who have trouble staying asleep. It can be taken for as long as your doctor recommends with no worries about dependence. If you want, you can also go for Veda's Cure Cerebrum Care. It is useful in treatment for depression and effective in brain development. It is 100% Ayurvedic composition. So, don't wait, order now and talk to our health experts.